All right, my friends, I want to take a second and first of all say welcome to all of you who have joined me today, but also thank you for all of you who have made it this far in this little mini series. This is the first time we, as Spellbinders, are doing the 13 days of Craft-O-Ween, and this is the first time I've ever done the 13-day series like this. Well, I've done other series like this, but so I hope you have enjoyed this little quickie series. These do take a lot of time and effort, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I am going to open this last one and then share my last little sample with you. And then I hope you have had time to enjoy your crafty advent or Craft-O-Ween box per se, and have gotten some just ideas on how you might be able to use yours in your projects at home. The whole idea is to craft life together, and that's why I choose to do these projects that are continuous like this, is because they're something we can do together in even in these little bits of time. We can still do them and share them. So I would love to invite all of you over to my Craft Life Together with Spellbinders and More group over on Facebook. I would love to see your little samples of all of your projects with this Craft-O-Ween box. I think it would be really fun to share those over there. So if you've gotten the box, I would love to see those. So let's open day number 13 and round up this day of all 13 projects. I would love me some mushrooms. We haven't had any mushrooms. Oh no, look at here. Hope your Halloween is to die for. Oh my goodness. This is precious. Well, it's not precious, but you get my drift. This is just, let me tell you, this is the year for skulls. Skulls, skulls, skulls. We've had skulls everywhere, but this is a skull and crossbones. And oh my gosh, the texture this is going to make. This is hilarious with the hand. Look at the hand. Ooh. This is the perfect one for the 13th day of Halloween. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a good one, guys. This is a good one to close up the series with. This is just awesome. Okay, so I am gonna go play with this one real quick, and I just love this. This is gonna give such great texture, and I love that they use purple in it. I may just have to copy the whole thing. It is priceless the way they've made it. Maybe use some specialty or something. I don't know. But this is great. Okay, let me play with this one and then I'll share it with you and bring all 13 back out so you can see all of them. Okay? All right, guys. This is another one that's going to be super easy to put together, but so fun. I really love the texture that the top of this coffin gives to the cardstock. And I had this eerie background, this watercolor background over here on the left, and decided to do number 13 as a card. So in all, I have got 11 treat bags and 2 finished cards out of the 13 days of Craft-O-Ween. So I do have pictures here at the end to share with you, like I said, but we did go ahead and do that glitter hand, which is so cool. And then we're just going to adhere the crossbones here. And then to put the lid on, I thought we would use some double stick adhesive foam squares, some of the little ones. And I wanted to line it up to make sure I wasn't putting them on the wrong part of the back. So that's why I was lining that up there. But I'm just going to put these on here and pull off these release tapes. I believe I used the 2mm here to give it some extra dimension. And then we will glue it on our card base. And I just love the way that purple card there in the center matches it so well. So there's our actual coffin in our background. So let's adhere this here. And then I end up adding a sentiment towards the bottom from one of last year's die sets. It's still available on the website. It's a really good one that makes banner dies. Here is the finished card along with all of the projects I've made this season for the Craft-O-Ween. So thank you all so much for visiting and seeing me through all 13 days.